The world's richest man, Elon Musk's net worth touches $650 billion as Tesla stock hits a record high. Musk's net worth is now more than the combined wealth of Larry Page and Jeff Bezos, who are the second and the third richest in the world. Rachna Dhanrajani is here with more on what's sparking this massive surge in Musk's net worth. Rachna.
That's right. Elon Musk's net worth now stands at about $650 billion. Here's why. Tesla stock has hit record levels, buoyed by investor optimism around robo-taxis and autonomous driving. This has come even as the company reports a slowdown in electric vehicle sales, its core business at the moment. But markets are increasingly valuing Tesla as a future AI and mobility platform rather than a conventional car maker. And that shift in perception has lifted both the stock as well as Musk's personal wealth. A key point to note here is that Musk's wealth does not come from a traditional salary. Instead, his compensation is almost entirely equity linked, tied to long-term market cap and performance milestones of Tesla. So when Tesla's valuation rises, his wealth moves with it, sometimes by tens of billions of dollars in just a matter of days. Apart from Tesla, a recent private share sale has pushed SpaceX valuation close to $800 billion, adding significantly paper wealth without a public listing or fresh earnings disclosure. XAI's rising private valuation has also added another layer to this momentum. Together, these moves explain why Musk's wealth can now swing so dramatically in just short periods. But let's take a step back to look at Musk's journey. He became a billionaire in early 2000s with the PayPal sale. But the real acceleration started in 2020 when Tesla's stock surge pushed him past the $100 billion mark for the first time. Since then, his fortune has repeatedly risen and fallen with market sentiment, crossing $200 billion and $300 billion in 2021, dipping sharply in 2022 and climbing up again as investors bet on autonomy, space and AI. The $600 billion moment then is less a sudden breakthrough and more like the latest chapter in a wealth story shaped by markets that are increasingly willing to price the future well ahead of the present. Back to you.
Right. Thank you, Rachna, for that update. And with that, it's a wrap on this edition of Business 360. News and updates continue right here on CNBC TV 18. Thank you for watching.